Hello, let us see continuity. First question is examine continuity of fx is equal to sin x for x less than or equal to pi by 4 and cos x for x greater than pi by 4. We have to check whether given function fx is continuous at x is equal to pi by 4 or not. Okay, now we know condition of this continuity. So when function is continuous at given point, say here pi by 4, when limit x tends to pi by 4, raised to here minus sign is there, that is called left hand side limit. Limit x tends to pi by 4 plus, that means right hand side limit, and f of that point, that is pi by 4. If all these three values are equal, then we say that fx is continuous at given point pi by 4. So let us see what is this exactly. Suppose point is 2, x is equal to 2. Now on number line, here this is 2, then we can write here 1, 0, here 3 and 4. If we have to check whether given function is continuous at this point 2 or not. Now this is less than side of 2, that is our left hand side, and this is here numbers are greater than 2, that is our right hand side. So now what is meaning of this left hand side limit? Limit x tends to 2 minus, this is not minus 2, 2 is not negative here. Okay, we write here 2 raised to minus sign, so this minus sign indicates that here x is less than 2. Okay, that means we are coming from left hand side towards 2. And what is meaning of limit x tends to 2 plus? Again this is not plus 2, 2 raised to we write plus, that means here x is greater than 2. That means we are coming from this side. So here we write f of x, here we write f of x. Answer of this both part we want same. Suppose here function is given less than or equal to 2 and here greater than or equal to 2. So from this left hand side or from this right hand side, function is given in suppose two parts. So use that functions. We want answer of both same. And also now we are coming from left hand side limit and right hand side limit. Now directly we can take value of function at given point 2. So that we want f of 2, value of function at x is equal to 2 directly at that point. So when answer is same, that means for given parts, just find out answer of all parts, and we want same answer for all given parts simply. Okay, so then we say that f is continuous at x is equal to 2. Okay, so now here let us find left hand side limit, that is limit x tends to pi by 4, right here minus, okay, of function fx. Now write limit x tends to pi by 4 only. No need to write the minus sign, because from this minus sign we comes to know that x is less than pi by 4. Now function is given in two parts. Here x is less than or equal to pi by 4 and here x is greater than pi by 4. So from these two parts of function, which we have to select. As here x is less than pi by 4, minus sign means x is less than pi by 4, so that is given here. Here this is greater than pi by 4. So as here x is less than pi by 4, we can select this part. So fx is what here? Sin x. So right here sin x. Now we have to find the limit, and we know condition of limit. If we write here x is equal to pi by 4, we don't want upon 0. As here upon 1 is there only, so we can substitute directly x is equal to pi by 4. So answer is sine of pi by 4, that is what? Sine 45. So substitute x is equal to pi by 4. This is sine of pi by 4. Pi means 180 by 4 45, and we know sine of 45 is what? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, write this as equation 1. Okay, So this is our left hand side limit. Now let us find right hand side limit. So limit x tends to pi by 4, write here plus of fx. So now just write pi by 4. From plus sign, we know that now x is greater than pi by 4. So where x is greater than pi by 4? In the second part. So here function is what? Cos x. So write here cos x. Again here as upon 1 is there, so we can substitute x is equal to pi by 4. We are not getting upon 0. So write here cos of pi by 4, that is cos 45 1 by root 2. So left hand side and right hand side limits are over. Actually here third part is not given separately. We want f of pi by 4. So as third part is not given, these two are enough actually. But by this condition, if we want f of pi by 4, so and f of pi by 4. So now x is what? Pi by 4. So at x is equal to pi by 4, as here less than or equal to is given. So x is equal to pi by 4 is here. So at directly at that point, x is equal to pi by 4, function is what? Sin x. Here we write for less than pi by 4. Okay. Now second part, that is equal to. So x is equal to pi by 4, function is same, sin x. So here write directly sin of pi by 4. As we are taking at that point, so no need of limit here. We want f of pi by 4. So that is sin of pi by 4. Sin of 45 is 1 by root 2. So from 1, 2 and 3, all these three are equal. So therefore function is continuous at x is equal to pi by 4. So from 1, 2 and 3, limit x tends to pi by 4 minus, here write left hand side limit x tends to pi by 4 plus fx is equal to f of pi by 4. And therefore f is continuous at x is equal to pi by 4. Okay.